Hey guys, Tales and Tales Stuff 1 2 Simon. My walkthrough that I'm going to be playing is Mad Father. So yeah, let's get into this shiz, shall we? Oh yeah, what if I got my mouse and fucking screen? Very bye guys. Father! Oh god, I sounded freaky then. Okay, I'll be back in a sec guys, because I seriously really need a pee. I'm back guys. Yeah, I just needed a pee. Anyway. Father, are you in there? Oh, crap. I'll press it. Father! She looks... Oh, God, you look freaky. Aya, how many times have I told you not to come down here? Sorry, Father. But, I'm too scared to sleep on my own. Aya, don't worry. You're never alone. Your late mother is always there at your side. What do you mean by late mother? She's always looking after you, Aya. Okay, now please, get to bed. Yes, Father. Good girl. Betty. How dare you put up text while I'm drinking tea? Father, tomorrow's... Yes, the anniversary of her death. So her mum's dead? Nice, and by the looks of things, it looks like he killed her. We'll visit her grave together. Okay. Now back to bed, please. I'll be resting too shortly. Okay. I don't know why, but that bit in my mind just sounded so sexual. Stop! That sounded so dramatic then. No! Wait! Oh, that says no. Ah! Sorry. Help me! Help! Was that the person screaming, or was it the chainsaw going through the bone? I know Father's secret. My father is a scientist. He loves research and is always locked up in the lab and basement. And I've always heard things from the lab. Animal and human screams. Even at a young age, I knew what Father was doing, so I pretended I wasn't looking, that I didn't know or hear anything. I feigned ignorance the whole time, because I love Father. That's not the only secret I know. When Mum and I wasn't around, he and his helper... Let me guess they got on. Ended up having sex or something. A fine sample. Oh god, you're freaky. You look like a doll. You're freaky. I don't like you. I shall dispose of the remaining materials myself. That can wait. Come, Maria. Your name's Maria. You don't look like a girl that'd be called Maria. Doctor. You don't look like a person that'd be called Maria. Doctor. He's aware of our relationship. What does it matter? I don't believe she's fond of me. That is the problem. The girl will be 11 soon. It's a troublesome age, to be sure. Be kind to her, please. Make sure she is never harmed. She is my most precious. It's midnight. Today's the day Mom went to heaven. I didn't know when she went to heaven. She still went to hell. Mom? I can never sleep when I think about Mom. Right, okay, I'm gonna leave this here, guys. Because I don't know how long I've been recording for, because if it's over 15 minutes then it won't upload on YouTube, so, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching my videos. Like, comment, well, thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.